how we were able to get 3 items deleted from a client's credit report, but the score stayed stagnant. What up? You got Mr. Smith, point 5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk to you how we were able to get 3 collections deleted or 3 items deleted, and the score still remained pretty much in the same place. In fact, some went down, one went up about 5 points, but they're in a good place on their credit in terms of, their FICO score. They're in the high 600s, above 700 on one. Not sure if you can see it. I don't want you to see any of their personal information, but how we were able to get some things deleted, but the score stayed stagnant. Because a lot of times people think that just because they get something deleted, that it's automatically going to make their score go up. In many cases it does, but in some cases it doesn't. And the reason why it happened like this on this particular client is because it was some counterproductivity that took place. In other words, we got some things deleted, but it was some new things that hit the account that caused things to stay in the same place and not really move in the direction that it could have. So that's important for you to know. If you're going through the credit restoration process, whether you're doing it yourself or you have someone else doing it for you, or you hire us to do it for you, it's important for you to do your part, because some of the things that you do to your credit can affect the moves that the credit restoration company or you are able to make in the forward direction. Now, it can be temporary because you can overcome certain scenarios, but it's important to understand the importance of not doing certain things, having late payments, having new inquiries to show up, keeping your utilization low, or narrowing it down to the best of your ability in the single digits. Doing those things on a regular basis, in addition to getting things deleted, tends to have or yield greater results. So just kind of keep that in mind. I just wanted you to see sometimes the conflict can cause certain things to not seem as though they're moving in the right direction, when in all actuality, if you just pump the brakes on some of the things you're doing on your end and not getting new things to show up, and sometimes it just happens. Sometimes you have different things that just pop up out of nowhere because it's like they see that you're working on your credit profile, so things pop up. So it's not always on the client, but in some cases it is. And it's not always on you if you're restoring your own credit, but in some cases it is. So don't be alarmed when things don't move, even though you may have got some things deleted or collections deleted. Just know that even when you get things deleted, you want to make sure you're doing your part in other areas so that everything is working in unison so you can move forward faster. That being said, if you need assistance on restoring your credit and you would like our assistance, definitely click on the available links below and take action so we can help you get your credit from where it is now to where you want it to go. If not, share this video with someone else that you feel may benefit. Like, share, subscribe, whatever you have to do in order to show love to the channel. But nonetheless, we're here to assist you in any way possible, whether through education or through actual you hiring us for our credit restoration. That being said, Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.